Let's go, family. How's everybody doing on this hump day, aka Wednesday? Hopefully everybody's having a blessed day, most importantly a safe day. This is your boy Jaime G, and your boy's about to break you guys off and let you guys know what's going on in the latest and greatest in the wild west of crypto land. Your boy talks about Doge and overall crypto market news. Now, if you're new to my channel, maybe you can help me out, guys, by just smashing the likes or maybe subscribing to the channel, leaving a comment, or even hitting the dislike. It helps me out with the YouTube algo. That's all I ever ask for, guys. Or don't do anything at all. I just appreciate you stopping by and checking my channel out as a viewer. Your boy standing out here in the liquid sunshine, as we call it in the Pacific Northwest, guys. It's raining right now, but I'm out here making this video for you guys so you guys can be informed with developing and breaking news. All right, guys. Your boy's ready. Are you guys ready? Oh, I don't know if I said it and I can't remember. None of this is financial advice. It's just me sharing my thoughts, opinions, nothing more, nothing less. Let's get it, baby. All right, guys. Bitcoin is down 2.93%. We're at 58,744. We broke under 60K. A lot of people are saying that there's a head and shoulders pattern going on, and we could possibly drop down to 53K, 57K, so on and so forth, right, guys? But I truly don't think the bull runs over. I think Bitcoin is just doing its thing. Consolidating. People took profits, guys. What do you expect? We hit a new all-time highs, and people are going to take profits, man. There ain't nothing wrong with that, right? And you know what I mean? It's just the markets, the whole overall crypto markets is consolidating, except freaking Shiba Inu. All right, we're going to get into Shiba. We're going to talk a lot more about Shiba today, guys, on this channel. Why? I got to give credit where credit's due, guys. All right, guys, enough of Bitcoin. Let's dive into Dogecoin. Guys, we are ranked number 10, and freaking Doge Shiba Inu is on our tail, right, guys? They are at 11 according to coin market cap, right? But on some other exchanges, Shiba has passed us. All right, guys, we're currently at 24 cents. We're down 6.47% for the day. 24-hour low was 22 cents, guys, and our 24-hour high was 26 cents. Market cap is at $31.57 billion. Volume is at $4.88 billion. It's more than what it was yesterday, right, guys? Yesterday we were at what I think it was like at almost a little shy of $2 billion. So the volume has gone up, which is a good thing, guys, right? Is what we need. All right, guys, enough of the stats. Let's dive into the charts, right, guys, and talk about real quick about resistance and support and see where we're at now, right? Since we things have changed, right? So your boy, I be looking at the daily chart, okay, guys? So this is a daily time frame chart. Let me shrink myself up here, okay, guys? So okay, so as you can see here, I got some pink and white going on in red. Okay, so support, guys, is coming in at 23 cents. Okay, that's the 50-day moving average. As you can see, right, it held up. Come on, man. Hold on, guys. Stupid thing is it held up for us, right? As you can see over here, right, it held up. 23 cents held up. We whipped below it when we hit the 22 cents, guys, but nonetheless we bounced off that 50-day moving average, and it did its thing, and it held us, and it stood its ground. Now obviously, now our resistance is back at the 25 cents. It was the 200-day moving average. Things were looking good, guys, but we had this flash crash, right, guys, and everything, you know, pulled back, and now everything's consolidating, right? It's all good, right? It's just a little hiccup, or we've got to dust ourselves off and continue to pushing forward, right, guys? So we do have resistance again at 25 cents until we break past it. But as you can see, guys, I have obviously this white line here, right, guys, which was our support trend line. But as you can see, guys, right here, we broke below the trend line, right? You usually, this trend line acts as support, right? And like I said, we had higher lows, right? We're going high, low, going high, but now we dipped below this support trend line, right? Which isn't a good thing, you know what I mean? It's kind of bearish temporarily, right, guys? So hopefully we'll continue to push up and push back above this trend line, right, guys? But the key takeaway from looking at this for now is things are looking a little bearish temporarily, right, guys, as of now, but things can change. But we got to just take it day by day and see what happens. So support is 50-day moving average at 23 cents, and 25 cents once again is our level of resistance. Hopefully we can smash past it, because it took us 46 days to break this resistance. All right, guys, now that's what I had as far as the charts go. I'd like to keep it pretty simple, beginner friendly, easy breezy when it comes to the charts. All right, now let's get into some news here. There's not a whole lot of news right now, guys, about Doge, just a little bit, right? We're going to dive into some Shiba. It's Shiba and Doge news. Now it says Robinhood crypto revenue falls 78% as Dogecoin frenzy wears off. Now, this is important, guys. Why? In my opinion, I truly believe this is why they're going to list Shiba Inu. Why? Because they're not making a lot of money off of Doge right now, right? Because people aren't buying Doge right now, right? It is what it is. We just got to keep it real and be transparent. So, but with that being said, right, guys? So, obviously, they need to make money. They need to make profits, right? And how else by doing that? By adding another crypto and none other than another meme coin, which is pumping like crazy right now, which is Shiba Inu. So in my opinion, I truly believe they're going to list Shiba within the next month or so. That's just my opinion, right? Now it says, Robinhood's crypto performance cooled off considerably from the Doge-driven highs of earlier this year. Right now it says, Robinhood's crypto revenue fell to 51 million from 233 million last quarter, in particular due to Doge. That's a drastic jump, guys. 50 million it went from 233 million to 51 million. That is crazy drop. Right now it says the company's CFO pointed to signups for Robinhood's crypto wallet waitlist as a bright spot. Yeah, it's a bright spot, guys, but that's a lot of money that they had, all because Dogecoin, right? The interest in Dogecoin has dramatically gone down. Now, it says Robinhood is discovering the downside of the crypto market's famous volatility. Now, the company on Tuesday revealed in its Q3 earnings report that its crypto revenue fell to 51 million last quarter, a 78% decline from 233 million. 78% decline, guys. That is freaking huge, right? Now, it says it notched in the second quarter, though still up considerably from the 5 million it earned in Q3 2020. The decline was driven in part by a fall-off in demand for Dogecoin, which exploded in popularity in the first half of the year and helped propel record signups at Robinhood. Now, guys, like I said, I'm going to just stop there. Right, I just wanted to point this out. Why? Because this is why I truly believe that Shiba Inu is going to get on this coin, and I truly, on Robinhood, and I think Shiba Inu is going to continue to pump, guys. I truly do, right? All right. Now, let's get into our next article. Like I said, guys, this article today be geared a little bit more towards like Shiba, right, guys? Why? Because you just got to give credit what credit's due, right? And talk about how it's right on the heels of Dogecoin. Now it says Shiba flipped Doge with 160 million in smart money backing latest pump, blockchain data shows. Right, guys? So basically they're saying smart money bought 160 million dollars worth of Shiba, which helped it flip Doge. Right, like I said, as a coin market cap, it's number 11, right? But on other ones, on other exchanges, it has beat, it had just briefly beat Dogecoin. Now, so Shiba Inu, the self-proclaimed Dogecoin killer, briefly surpassed Dogecoin in market value on Wednesday, according to data from CoinGecko. Right? On CoinGecko, it's past it, but on CoinMarketCap, as you can see, it's right underneath us. Both coins now have a market cap of over 31 billion and are toggling between 10th and 11th on CoinGecko's ranking page. Blockchain data shows that while Shiba continues to attract real investors around the globe, more sophisticated crypto traders are fueling the latest rally. Since the beginning of this week, addresses labeled as smart money by blockchain data firm Nansen started buying up Shiba. According to Daniel Koo, a research analyst at Nansen, the buying was mostly concentrated in the past 7 days, worth about $160 million. Obviously, guys, this has helped push the price of Shiba up, which in return has passed Doge. Now, says addresses labeled as smart money included traders who made more than $100,000 in profit by providing liquidity and mining liquidity in decentralized finance protocols and public entities that invested in crypto. It was shocking to me, Koo said, adding that he didn't expect Shiba to become accumulated by smart money. Why? Because a lot of people, this goes to show you never underestimate your opponent, guys. Never. I never did on the streets, right? I grew up on the streets, never underestimated my opponent, man. It's the same concept right here, man. Just goes to show you. It says data from another blockchain data firm, Sentiment, also supports the perspective. Shiba transactions worth at least 1 million started increasing since the beginning of October. It says sentiment data shows the whale activity spiked on multiple days in the past week as Shiba's price rallied. Right, guys? So it says notably, while there have been a lot of SHIB spot activities on centralized exchanges at press time, roughly 66% of SHIB are on decentralized exchanges versus 13% on centralized exchanges, according to Nansen. Right, guys? So just goes to show you, right? There's obviously people that they're calling smart money people that have over 100,000 in profit, right, guys? So people with a little bit more money than retail investors such as me, possibly you. I can only speak for myself, but you know what I mean, guys? But hey, ain't nothing but it's all good, you know. Ain't nothing wrong with a little bit of competition going on, right? We're there on the heels of each other, but nonetheless, Shiba is a meme coin, and I am invested in Shiba also, guys. So I got nothing but love for the Shiba community and the Shiba token, and I also am invested in it, right? I got nothing but love, baby. All right, guys, now that's as far as what I had as far as the meme coins, Shiba, and Doge news. Let's get into some overall crypto news, right? This is some pretty interesting news, right? Right here, guys. But this goes to show you, man, if this money that Shark Tank's Kevin O'Leary is talking about invest in Bitcoin, this is freaking going to be huge for Dogecoin, for the overall crypto markets. Let me find it right here, guys. I had it here. Sorry, where did it go? Okay, right here, guys. These two articles that I'm going to read correlate with each other. How much time I got in here? Oh, says the real opportunity for Bitcoin and crypto will come from the group of investors, says Shark Tank star Kevin O'Leary. I'll try to be quick, guys. Says Shark Tank investor Kevin O'Leary says that a group of investors could transform Bitcoin and the crypto markets when they decide to allocate capital to the space. In an interview with Bitcoin bull Anthony Pompliano, the Best Business Show, the celebrity investor says that there will be a massive opportunity in crypto once sovereign funds in the Middle East invest in digital assets, right? Then he goes on right here, says the real opportunity is not with the family offices or hedge funds that operate out of the Middle East. It says the real money is in the actual sovereign funds in both Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates. It's billions and billions and billions of dollars, guys. Not millions, billions, right? These guys are oil gurus, right? They have freaking billions of dollars. They have not allocated to crypto yet. What happens? You'll see it reflect in the price of Bitcoin. There's no question about it. They have such long-term views in those funds, and those funds are so large. O'Leary says that given the size and number of the funds, even 1% allocation would have an impact on the markets, right? Then he says they generally, this is Kevin O'Leary speaking, right? He says they generally abide by discipline and principles of risk diversification. So they may have a mandate, for example, that no stock represents more than 5% of the funds, so no sector more than 20%. Those are diversification mandates that are used all around the world, and they do that there too, right? So guys, basically, long story short, I'm not going to read it. He says, I speak to those guys almost every day. They would immediately go to 1% to 3% on Bitcoin alone. Just Bitcoin alone, Ethereum on any level, or any level 2s on the chain, right, guys? So just imagine, right, if all these billionaires in Saudi Arabia and the United Arab were to start putting money like Kevin O'Leary's saying, right? That would be huge. That would help increase the market cap of the overall crypto markets. But not just that, it would push adoption just that much faster. Now get this here, right here, guys. It says 200 million Bitcoin fund receives approval for listing on NASDAQ Dubai. Where's Dubai at, guys? In the Middle East. Now it says the fund will allow the Middle East first listed digital asset product to be able to deliver on the growing demand for regional institutional investors. Now, this just backs up what Kevin O'Leary is saying, guys. This is the beginning steps, right, guys? I truly believe, right? This is huge, guys. This is huge. You might want to go check this article out, right, guys, and go read it yourself. I'll just finish off. Now it says rising investors demand from the Middle East, right? It says the Bitcoin fund, the Middle East first listed digital asset-based fund, has received approval from the Dubai Financial Services Authority for its at the market program on the NASDAQ Dubai. This is huge, guys. It says Bitcoin fund intertradable with, this is huge. This is huge, guys. Why? Because I just read that article. If you're paying attention to what Kevin O'Leary was talking about, like if money from the Middle East starts pouring into Bitcoin, it's over. It's a wrap. You know what I mean? But all right, guys, this is what I had for you. Hopefully it was informative, helpful, insightful. If it was, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Your boys out here in this liquid sunshine just for you guys. Stay blessed and stay safe until tomorrow. Your boys out. Peace.